Hey everyone, welcome to Food, Fashion and Fun with Sonal. So today we are going to make pickled fresh turmeric roots. So let's get started with peeling the turmeric skin. Now before you start, make sure you're wearing gloves if you don't want to stain your hands. So we'll peel the skin off like so and put the peeled turmeric in a water-filled bowl. Next we'll cut them into julienne style like so. We need the stripes to be relatively thin because we want our salt and lemon to get deep into the turmeric stripe. Look at my hands, told ya. Now we'll add our salt and lemon. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of salt here. Don't worry, it's not too much. Watch till the end. Why? Next, I'm adding lemon juice using 2 lemons. Now, we'll give it a good mix. Cover it and let it sit at least for 20 to 25 minutes. And it's time. Let's hope the salt and lemon has settled well into the turmeric. Give it another little mix. Okay, so if you have a wide bench top like mine, then you might want to do this on a chopping board and not directly onto the bench top, because turmeric stains are one of the hardest stains to get rid of. Make sure you transferred all the turmeric, including the water or lemon juice. Now, if you don't want to store this pickle for 6 months or so, and if you think you can consume it within a month, then your turmeric roots pickle is ready to enjoy. But if you like to store it for 6 to 8 months, then add half a cup of water to it, or enough water to cover up the stripes. Now, we'll give it a taste, just in case if the taste got diluted by the water. It tasted perfect, so we'll put on our lid and give the jar a little shake just to make sure everything is well unified. Now you can put this jar into a refrigerator and store it till 6 to 8 months. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do give me a shout out on Food, Fashion and Fun with Sonal.